Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today's your birthday. And welcome back to what is bound to be a stressful last video because we are going to be attempting to pack for a 4-week-long trip in just my carry-on. This is a task literally every single time. I did this last summer. I can link that down below where I was actually traveling for like 5.5 weeks and I managed to pack in a carry-on. So if I could do that, I should be able to do this, but it's always just tough, especially with figuring out products and like, you know, the sizing of things and etc, etc. You guys get it. However, we do have an upgrade from last year, so let me go get that. By the way, please don't mind my random outfit that I have on here. I just wanted to put on something that was comfortable for like moving around and packing in, and also stuff that I wasn't gonna bring with me so I could pack all the stuff that I was gonna bring with me. So this is what we ended up with. I love these pants, but they are just kind of like weird ugly, but they're so comfortable. I love wearing them around the house. So the #1 comment that I got on the video that I did last year was that I needed packing cubes, which I used to have packing cubes. No idea what happened to them. I think I lost them in my move when we moved a couple years ago here. So I went ahead and re-upped. I will link these down below for you guys. Now I don't think I'll be able to use every cube, just, oh, it's nice. It comes in, or maybe this is one of the cubes, but nice that they can all fit into one of these. Anyway, I probably won't use every single one just because my suitcase is gonna be kind of small and this is for a full-size suitcase. But we're gonna work our way through it. So we have a little laundry bag. This will not be used by me. What are you? Oh, I think this is maybe for shoes, so potential, but probably not, honestly. But, I mean, I don't need to walk you through every single one of these things. You get the vibe. We have a couple different size of cubes here, and I will figure out which are going to be most useful. And then another upgrade, I got this new backpack from Baze because I knew that I was just gonna need a more practical way to carry my stuff rather than just in my shoulder bag. I will show you guys more of the features of this bag when we pack it up together because it actually is incredible for travel. Obviously I haven't traveled with it yet, but based on like all the features, I think it's gonna be so good, especially for someone like me who now has to travel with 2 laptops due to work. So I will show you more about this a little later, but love this so much. And actually, the name of planet, but like my packing cubes match. And then the other 2 things that I got in preparation for this travel was I just got one of these things that keeps your beauty blender like enclosed because I always find my beauty blender gets so gross after traveling. And then just a little mini micellar water to bring with me. So I think first up, I need to fold some laundry because I did a load of laundry this morning of some stuff that I thought I'd bring with me, mostly like underwear and socks and stuff like that because I had done laundry fairly recently. But I wanted a little refresh on those, and then we're gonna get to it. No stress. We've got a very small load of laundry here. As I said, I had just done laundry, so it was really just a couple little things that were in my hamper. I actually really feel like I'm gonna struggle with this packing situation. I'm just feeling it. I'm getting those vibes from myself right now. There's gonna be too many things that I wanna bring. So I think the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna kind of put away the stuff of this that I don't think I'm gonna bring with me. And then I'm just going to start pulling everything that I ideally would bring with me. And then obviously we'll probably have to edit from there, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so quickly what I decided to do here, because I was like, where do I even begin? I decided that I would go on Pinterest and look up summer capsule wardrobe because I feel like that would be a really good plan to kind of curate a capsule wardrobe that I can use for these 4 weeks, pieces that are versatile, and then some like special poppy pieces that I'll wear here and there. So that's kind of what I'm thinking, and I found a lot of good stuff. Actually, I will link these posts that I'm using as examples down below. Let me just put them, I'm just gonna put them in a note now so I can find them again later when this video is being uploaded. But I'll show you quickly on this one. So this one in particular I liked because I really like this color scheme up here, that kind of like cream, tan, white, blue, black. I feel like that's really solid for me because I love myself in blue. The rest of those are neutrals, so very versatile. So that's kind of the color palette that I'm generally going to stay in. Obviously, I'm not gonna be super strict about that, but I think that's a good idea. And this just has like some solid ideas for pieces. I have this one as well here, similar vibes. I have this, but I don't think I'll use this as much. I just thought that this was a good example of kind of how the same pieces can be styled different ways, which is good for me to see. And then this one's a lot smaller, but I like that it featured like a hat here. So I think with the help of these, I'm really quickly just going to create a base packing list. I'm still just gonna go through my closet and pull things that I like, even if it's not technically on my packing list. Again, we'll probably have to edit down, or we'll see how it goes. Maybe this technique will work well for me. But that way I can make sure that I have all the pieces that I think will work within a capsule wardrobe vibe. So let me go and do that. Okay, I think we're going to start with that. I know there's going to be more stuff that I'm going to want to bring and throw into the mix, but I think this is a good place to start. So I think what I'm going to do is only pull the things on this list right now, and then I'll go through my closet and pull extra things that I think I'm going to want. I do feel like this is going to help, but I still think it's going to be harder than it seems. Okay, so this is everything outside of like some jackets and accessories, shoes, stuff like that, which we are going to pull later. But this is clothes-wise what was on my capsule list. Just to walk you through that really quickly, we have a short casual summer dress, a longer, more formal dress in case there's anything nicer, sweatshirt just for comfort, some neutral tank tops, simple black skirt. I have white shorts, I have denim shorts. I have a pair of linen pants, I have a pair of white pants, and I have a pair of blue jeans. And then I have this little blue button down, which I think will be good in a lot of scenarios, and also just my Eagles t-shirt. This would not really be a part of a capsule wardrobe, but I just knew for a fact that I wanted to bring it with me, so we threw it in there. So now I'm going to just kind of go through my closet again and pull other pieces that I think I would really want and wear. Thinking this little knit guide, it definitely fits into the color scheme of our capsule wardrobe. I also love this little top. I think it's cute, easy to throw on. Maybe a scarf top. I feel like this blue is really pretty, and I feel like I'll like that and it won't take up any additional room anyway. Definitely want to bring this as well. And should I bring a black tank top also? Do we think I should bring this? I think I'm gonna pull it for now and we can always cut it. The other thing that I wouldn't mind having is like pair of trousers, like my gray trousers. So I think I'm gonna grab those. They're just in my bedroom. I know exactly where they are. The only other thing I was considering were my silk pants because I love these. I think they're so cute and comfortable. But I'm bringing black linen pants, which I feel like give a very similar vibe, so we're not gonna do it. I'm kind of impressed with myself right now, but I'm questioning if this is enough. But I think we need to roll with it. We're rolling with the idea of a capsule wardrobe. We have to. Definitely want to bring this as well. This is a cute new shirt. Actually, I'll try it on quickly just to make sure that it fits and looks good. But assuming that it does, it's coming with us. Molly Cat is about to be very unhappy because I'm about to take the suitcase out. I'm sorry, baby. I love you. It's okay. Don't worry. Everything's gonna be fine. Welcome to the floor with me. So I got the packing cubes that I think will work best inside of the suitcase, although now that it's open, we can see for ourselves a little better. This one is like literally half the suitcase. Or we could just go with these two. I don't know the best way to go about this. Yeah, there's nothing going on up top here, so we just need to roll with it. I think I'm gonna have to use these two smaller-ish ones as the main ones. Well, I can already tell that this is not gonna work. Literally just from the sheer size of this pile of pants, I'm like, there's no way that we can fit all the pants into this little itty bitty one here. I just don't think it's gonna happen. I think I'm gonna see if I can fit all of the pants into the biggest of the packing cubes that I can use with this suitcase, and then make a decision from there about what I'm gonna do. Okay, you guys, I feel like this actually worked out pretty well. So I have like pants here. Jeans are obviously kind of hard to fold, so I just kind of laid them down. And then my shorts and my skirt. And I'm thinking, because I have obviously these sweats still, I think the sweats could probably just sit right on top. Now I just have to confirm that this bigger size definitely fits in here, and yeah, it does. The thing is that now I can only use this smaller size here for the rest of the stuff that I'm gonna put in packing cubes on this one side at least. Obviously I can always put stuff on the other side, but I try, like when I pack my bag, I try to do one side as clothes, one side as like shoes, toiletries, accessories, etc. We're gonna see how much we can fit into this tiny bag here, because I just don't think Yeah, no, it's just, this one is just not gonna work. So let's see what we can do. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I am having second thoughts right now about this packing cube. Like, obviously it worked really well. All of my pants are in here, but it takes up, this takes up more than half of my bag, versus if I just kind of stack them all on top of each other, it only takes up half instead of more than half. So I might be changing my mind right now, is what I'm saying. I feel like packing cubes are definitely gonna come in handy here, but I do feel like they would be most convenient if I was bringing a bigger suitcase with me, which right now I am not. It's good practice for Europe, because I think I'm only gonna bring a carry-on with me for Europe, and that should be very interesting. Just to show you what I mean from above, this goes in here, and as you can see, that is almost the entire area of this suitcase, versus if I just stack stuff, I have half of the suitcase over here to use, which I think will work out. So now I should be able to use this on this side, and it should fit in really well. I feel like I can fit this workout stuff right on top. Am I gonna wear this on the plane? That's what I need to figure out. I kind of think I am gonna wear these things on the plane. I don't know, I'm just gonna pack it for now. I don't know what I wanna wear on the plane, to be honest. Now let's see how this fits in there. Okay, kind of perfectly. Other things that I have my other pajama pieces, which obviously are nice and light and thin. So that shouldn't be too much of an issue. Just gonna probably sit those on top of there, and this, again, very light and thin. So I'm thinking I'm going to use this little bag here for underwear and socks. 10 pairs of underwear going right in, 10 pairs of socks, all going in here. And now I think we have to start working on toiletries, which I hate doing. It's very stressful to me. Something else I just thought of, you guys, is I'm gonna need my vitamins. So I like to pack them in these little, like, what brand are these? Cadence, and they kind of like stick together. They're magnets. So typically I take 2 kinds of vitamins. I take my DIM vitamins for my skin and hormones, and then I also take these AHCC vitamins for immune health. But I'm gonna leave these. I think I'll be fine without them. Okay, I am just bringing a supply while I'm in Toronto, because my mom actually takes the same vitamins, so I'll just steal some of hers. We're back on the floor. I have collected everything else that I need to go in my bag, and I'm actually feeling fairly confident. Fairly. I threw all of the swimsuits that I'm gonna bring into here, so we have that good to go. And then I of course have all of my socks and underwear, which can just squish right there. We have toiletries here, as well as my makeup. I'm also gonna bring this hat with me. So these shoes I'm going to wear on the plane, which means we only have these to pack in here. So these are definitely the chunkiest, so we need them to go in first, I think. Okay, hold on. We're rearranging. I'm actually gonna stack my shoes in now. This can probably go in there. This, okay, hold on. Maybe these need to slide in here. This is like a puzzle. Now can this fit in here? Yes, excellent. This can go here. This can go in here. And I feel like these can kind of just get smushed down, to be honest. Hat, and we zip. So now we have the moment of truth, you guys, about whether this bag can actually zip closed. You never know. Oh, this is gonna be easy, I think. Pop a little squat, no problem. Wow, we did it, you guys. We really did it. We are actually not quite done yet, because we still have to pack up my backpack. However, I am not done with work yet, so I'm not ready to pack up that yet. So I'll check back with you guys when I am getting to that. It is a little bit later, you guys. We just got home from grabbing dinner with, nope, not dinner, just some drinks and some appies with our friends Kate and Alex. just wanted to see them before I left for a while, which was really nice. And now we are going to finish up our packing in our backpack here. So this is the beige backpack that I already showed you guys earlier. I just want to point out a couple kind of fun features to the backpack. I honestly won't need to utilize that many of them because packing in my suitcase went so much better than expected. I kind of expected that I was gonna pack some stuff in my backpack, but that did not end up happening. But I still want to show you some of the really fun key features. In this back section here, we have a zipper, which is a laptop pouch, and that is where I'm going to put my larger laptop, which is the one that came from my job. Put that back there. And then inside my backpack here, I have quite a few pockets. I'm not gonna bore you with what all of them are, but there are a lot inside of there, including some kind of pouches in the back here, which I think will be perfect for fitting my regular smaller laptop into. Again, very convenient for having two laptops so that you have multiple pouches that you can fit your laptop into. Also inside of here, I don't know if you guys will even be able to see, but there is a little pouch right here for a water bottle, which is great because I typically travel with a water bottle. I'm not going to this time. But also very cool is there's also a side pouch here, just a little zipper, and you can pull out another place to put your water bottle. So if your backpack is too full, you have like an exterior place you can throw a water bottle, which I think is really nice. And then obviously a lot of zipper pouches inside of here, as well as on the outside. I'm going to be switching out this laptop charger, which only charges my work laptop, which is what I bring to work with me, to my other laptop that can charge both my regular laptop and my work laptop. Okay, passport, I'm going to put into the front zip pocket on the inside here. That way it's nice and secure. I'm also going to put my AirPods in there. AirPods going right into that pocket. Something else I love about this bag, look, I just picked it up and it is incredibly heavy. I have two laptops in here, so it gets heavy really fast. But something I love about it is that on the back here, they have a little slip, I don't know what you would call this, place you can slide it onto your suitcase. This comes up here, and then I can put this over top of the handle of this suitcase and be able to just wheel them together, and it is very secure. So with that in mind, I think that is my full packing experience. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe, and I will see you